Little update on the CQ-1 recreation. So I work on this occasionally. I've got a bit of spare time or I feel like doing some code. So it's powered off USB at the moment. So we've got the time display there, so the clock chip is powered up by the battery, it's backed up by the battery, powered up by the USB now, so it's lost the time, but you can see it's counting seconds there. The stopwatch, that works as a stopwatch, and it works to milliseconds, so that's more resolution than the original, which could only do tenths of a second. And we've got, that's the time ticking away, 30 seconds since I turned it on. Calculator, 12 times 4, 48, or clear it, 1 divided by 7. There you go, so you can use it as a calculator. Basic for function. I haven't put the time and date calculations in. That's quite a lot of tables and fiddling around, but I think you can do negative numbers. Yeah, it does negative numbers as well, so you can times by 1000. It's just using doubles internally, so you can have exponents on it, but I think when I tried that last it wasn't working properly. So it does have 1001 E9, so that should be 1.001, I think. Decimal points in the wrong place. So yeah, you can also set the time. It's a bit fiddly, but you can set the date and then the time. So if you say 2021 date, and it's, what is it, March date, and what is it? It's the 28th. 28 date. Now it's the time. So what is it? 8:45. So 8 time 45. And you have to keep going until it appears, or 0, 4, 5, 45, 5, 4, 5. There you go. Need to sort that out. Time. And then the dashes appear to say that you've set the time. And then we go over here. It's now got 8:45 and 15 seconds. So it just sets the hours and minutes at the moment, the seconds or whatever it was when it turned on. There is a way of setting the seconds by pressing the time button, which I could put in. So yeah, it's come along, it's usable. I haven't got the alarm in there at the moment. There's 4 alarms in the original, and obviously day of the week and stuff. I haven't done that, but I'll probably get around to it eventually when I have spare time in between other things.